Central Texas, eastern Bosque County in Central Texas, Hill County in Central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cleburne State Park, or 15 miles southwest of Cleburne, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleburne, Hillsborough, Whitney, Itasca, Grandview, Laguna Park, Bloom, Covington, Cleburne State Park, Lake at Cleburne, Aquila Lake, Lake Whitney State Park, Lake Whitney, Parker, Rio Vista, Morgan, Retreat, Abbott, Cedar Shores, and Lakewood Harbor. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.